first step you want to do is, after you both sanitize your hands and wash your hands with soap and water, you want to go in with a nail clipper and trim the nails, okay? So you're utilizing the angle that's on the nail clipper, okay? This is what you're using to make sure that you're not getting beneath the nail, okay? This section, this is what you utilize to ensure that you're not getting under the nail. So when you have the nail clipper angled, you get more leverage to make sure that you're not hurting the client. Okay? And as you go through each, you will eventually next step would be to file, okay? You want to make sure he's comfortable. You want to check in with the client periodically. How are you feeling so far? Good. So now we're pushing back the cuticle. Again, this is to remove any excess dead skin that you've accumulated on the nail bed. Obviously, for a female, when it comes to polishing, this is the way that you'll get the most accurate and the most effective polish application. So there's no impediment on the nail bed. But for a male manicure, it gives that pristine, clean outcome. So right now you want to soften the cuticle. So after applying the cuticle remover around the perimeter of the cuticle, you're going to soak in a basin of a little warm water and a touch of soap. This is just to activate any dead skin cells that you have on your nail bed in order to have a a very clean look after. So you always want to go in, okay, with the first pinky on the left hand. All right, that's how you carry through the polish application. You always want to cap the free edge, okay? See this? It's capping the free edge. And obviously when you work with colors, there's more of a chance of maybe catching the skin. So you always want to have like a cleanup brush nearby so that way you can get around those areas if that happens.
Question, when you clip the nails, when you clip nails, they're like ragged or they're not smooth. Mm-hmm. So when you did that thing with the buffer, that's when you smoothed the manicure?
Yes. The average manicure takes only up to 30 to 40 minutes. That's a sufficient amount of time to clean the nails, polish the nails, and make you feel at ease.